This 2025 NuCamp TAB 360 CSS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Souderton, Pennsylvania, 18964 and is offered for sale by Indian Valley Camping Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new NuCamp is 20 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 2, auxiliary battery, water heater, stovetop burner, external shower, TV antenna, refrigerator, TV, smoke detector. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features couples coach, outdoor kitchen. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.